Devin up 3 here and I'm back, and today I got a video for you guys on 10 tips you can actually do with your phone. Tips, tricks, hacks, whatever. Alright, let's get started. If you have a Galaxy phone or Android phone, just get rid of it, sell it, or destroy it. Screen record. If you didn't know, you can actually screen record stuff on your phone without an app. It's actually built into your phone to actually screen record things. So let me teach you how to do that. Go to your battery, you scroll down, and then you hit the bottom, you hit the button on the bottom left. Then that's the screen record. So we go back, and you see that red dot, you're actually screen recording right now. And right here is actually the video. See, my hands are right here. Just moving on his own. To get the best out of your phone, you really need to mess around with your control center, and I'm gonna tell you how to do that. So right here, this is actually your control center, and I'm gonna teach you how to add more things to it, and I'm gonna tell you some cool things you can actually do to it. So you wanna go to your settings, and here are some of the accessories. So you can actually add an alarm clock, accessibility shortcuts. I'll get to that later. If you got an Apple TV remote, you can use that as your TV remote. Dark mode, I'll teach you about that later. Hearing and music recognition. This is pretty cool. I definitely recommend this. So let's say you're listening to music that you have no idea what you're listening to and you wanna know what it is. You hit music recognition, teach you. It'll tell you what song it is. Also, you got your sleep mode, stopwatch. It's just quick things you can actually do. But this is what I have, and it's all accessible to me. It'll all be right here if you want to add something to it. So let me show you an example. I just added music recognition, and now it's right here. We're kind of going to the intermediate level, and that's gonna be to scan a document. Yes, you can actually scan a document from your phone and print it out to a printer nearby. I'm gonna teach you how to do that. You wanna hold down notes, and then you see the option right here. It says scan document. So you gotta position the document right. So I'm gonna get a piece of paper or something. Be right back. All right, so when you're actually scanning the document, it actually does it automatically on its own. So this is what I scanned, and it will ask you wanna retake or keep scanning? Say, let's say this is good enough, and then there you go. You just take this, you got your basic options to crop it, add some color to it, delete it, flip it around or whatever, and then you just keep it just like that, and it comes out really good when you print it out. So that's how you scan a document. Sending your location. So let's say you out, you with your significant other, they acting crazy, or whoever you with, you done with them, and it's time to dash. You know what I'm saying? You either call your Uber, you can call your boy or whoever up, your partner, and have them slide through, gonna pick you up and get you out. You know what I'm saying? Just help you out, get you out the way. All right, so that's what you gotta do. You just go to the name of the person, good information, and then you say share my location or send my current location. So this way, you need to get out of Dodge, or you need to secretly send someone your location, or you just need to send someone your location and get up out of there. Like you done doing what you need to do. Time to bounce. That's what you gotta do, Hiding your pics. So let's say you're doing something you're not supposed to do. You trying to hide your pics. I ain't encouraging nothing. I'm telling you information, and however you use this information is up to you. But I'm gonna teach you how to hide the pics. All right, so you got the fresh drip on, you know what I'm saying? But you ain't trying to let your shorty find out you've been out here, swagging it up. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you hide your pics. You go to edit, you go to crop, you crop it all the way down here, right? Boom. Boom, there you go, right? Random pic. It's gonna be random, they're not gonna know what it is. It's just a random thing. You took a picture of that? Like, yeah, it's a screenshot, my bad. I didn't mean to show that picture. But this is how you bring it back alive. You go to edit, you go back to your crop, and you revert it back to original. And there you go. You know what I'm saying? You got the drip on deck. You know what I'm saying? You're welcome. Next, I'm gonna teach you how to shoot in 4K. So you go to your settings, scroll down, go to camera. See right here it says video record and video record in slow-mo. There you go. You can shoot in 40. You can shoot in 4K, 60 frames per second. But please take a look at this description. While you can shoot in 4K, it eats up a lot of data. So make sure you know what you're doing. How to reopen your closed tabs. Now you're probably thinking you just go to your history and look it back up. No. This is gonna be life-saving for you. So let's say someone steals your phone. I'm gonna teach you how to, I guess, prevent them from gaining access into your phone. All right, so let's say someone steals your phone. What they're gonna do, you're gonna take it to airplane mode. Can't find your phone, can't call it, can't do nothing, you're screwed. So I'm gonna teach you how to get rid of the control center from here to not get access to it. So you wanna go to your settings. You wanna go to Face ID and passcode. Scroll down until you see control center. Turn it off. Now watch this. All right, now watch this. And last but not least, the final tip, the most important tip of all is dark mode. Yes, this is a very advanced tip. Okay, once you go dark, you don't go back, okay? So I'm gonna tell you what to do. So you go to settings, display and brightness, and turn on dark mode, there you go. Or you can have it automatic or it has a shift. So when it gets to late night or it gets to dark time, you know what I'm saying? When you're getting a little freaky, you know what I'm saying? You go black. But in the morning, you know, you can go back to light and go about your day, you know. It's up to you on however you like to get freaky, how you like to get down, you know? So it's whatever you wanna do. All right, guys, I hope them tips helped you out. Hope they, help you to decide to get the iPhone, keep the iPhone, or if it's gonna help you to get rid of the iPhone. You know what I'm saying? Either or, as long as it helps you out, I'm proud. And, I guess I done my job. So, all right, guys, like I said, this is a goal-oriented channel. Thank you for keep watching me. Hope you were entertained by that, and learn some things too. Like I said, this is a goal-oriented channel. I done my goals for the day. Hope you do your goals too, Comment down below. Did you learn anything? Did you not? Did you already know some of them things? You want to teach somebody some tips? Comment down below. If you want part 2, let me know. But all right, guys, this is Devin Up 3 here. Thanks for watching. I'm out. You guys have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.